Hi guys, welcome to Life of Buksies channel. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please press that post notification bell so you get notified next time I drop. Thank you very much. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
It's a rainy day in Aan Wolf and people are outside doing the most. This place was so packed we couldn't even find one lapa that wasn't occupied.
Guys, if you see my
Yo guys, we were about to go swim but like the wind is so strong. It's drizzling. The weather I boomy. It's not on our side. I don't know what to do. Honestly,
I think
but if it's stopping, how long are we gonna wait?
How you choose?
Say your name.
introduce yourself.
Oui,
Hey Mo, what do you mean? Hey Mo, never already, my friend.
I'm feeling using introduce the camera. What the fuck, guys?
I can't.
What the fuck, guys?
Raining.
As it was raining, we decided to have the food we had prepared, which was boerewors rolls and chakalaka. It was so nice. I enjoyed it.
And the weather is not looking so good. It stopped raining now. It was so heavy a few minutes ago. But now we're just gonna hop into the train.
Step by, get some air now. Let's go head down. So some ice book, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you put the head down? I mean, rest now.
We'll catch up with you guys. Let's see how many days. Yeah.
Empty mindset. I will be that I wasted. Listen to me. All your baby, you don't care. Time to be when you urgent.
I'm so excited.
Some little change that me a war in my mind.
Right now.
It was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe it is.
Look at this little baby.
Since I disappeared, if you left me feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, really lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my first to build alone.
Forgive the shakiness, guys. I can't help it. On a bumpy tar road.
No, you like that shit. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can keep on losing the best of me. To worry now, wasted the best of me. All you think, you don't care. Not gonna be a nuisance, it's just urgent.
This little baby is We're about to go to the coast town. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
girl. Get out of that lonely house. That little workshop here.
Guys, we just got back from swimming. I feel this flu coming. It's coming. Now we're getting ready with y'all.
Just to update you guys.
Should we do our edges?
I
I want to do mine.
want to do my edges.